Alright, got the new Scratcher Wheel of Fortune. This is the $5 card. So I need to match up these winning numbers, they call it wheel numbers, with my numbers down here. Got a fast spin, $50. Let's go with that one first. I got 55, they win at 50. So looking at 23, 13, 8, 12, 32. 24, 28, 9, 26, 39, 14, 37, 14, one number off, 7, 16, 21, 33, one number off, 26, 30, 36, 34, 35, and 41. Loser. Thanks for watching.